So when it comes to choosing your university, it's very important to consider not only the ranking or where is the university located, but various aspects. For example, the first one, as I mentioned, could be the ranking. You can go on the website The Times Higher Education University Ranking and see both the world ranking and the national ranking. You can also filter the ranking based on the teaching quality or the research quality, or for example the subject that you want to study. The ranking can be a first place to start, even though you need to remember that more high up is the university in the ranking, more it costs and more difficult it is to access it. Another thing you need to do is to go on the official website of the university and of your course. There you can really look at all the modules that are offered, if the assessments are more practical or theoretical, if there are field trips included or placement, which is a year you would spend working during your undergraduate degree or during your postgraduate degree, or if they have exchanges, maybe you want to learn a new language and would like to spend 6 months abroad. Of course, another very important aspect is the location. Maybe you prefer to be near London, or you have some relatives close to Manchester, so you prefer to look at a university there. So the location also is very important in your decision. Remember also to check all the societies and sports, particularly if you want to have a sports scholarship or you were considering to keep doing sports at a high level. So make sure that that university have the team or the individual sport that you're interested in. And of course, lastly but not less important, ask for feedback to students, to teachers, lecturers, anyone who have a relation to that university that can give you an honest feedback and to whom you can really ask all the questions you have. Once you have chosen your university, you can start writing your personal statement. If you want more advice on that, click on this video.